Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Numbers and making sure iCloud is active so files sync automatically. Once signed in, tap New and choose a template or blank to avoid unnecessary steps. You should name the file right away and pick a folder in iCloud Drive. This prevents version confusion later. Make sure to set the sheet locale for correct date and currency formatting. Now that the document is created and saved to iCloud, you're ready to enter your first data cells and apply basic structure. You'll now structure and calculate. Select cells and use the format sidebar to choose number type, currency, percent, or date, so values behave predictably. Type formulas beginning with equals and reference cells instead of pasting numbers. This keeps calculations live. Use functions like sum and if for conditional logic and average for summaries. Once data is organized, insert a table or chart from the toolbar to visualize trends. Make sure to lock header rows and freeze columns to keep finish by exporting or sharing. Use File Export to create an XLSX, CSV, or PDF when you need compatibility. Collaborate via the Share button and choose Edit or View permissions so others can contribute securely. Before closing, verify formulas recalculated. Choose View Recalculate if numbers look stale. If you see errors, double-check cell format and locale settings because wrong formats cause misinterpreted dates and decimals. If syncing fails, sign out and back into iCloud, or move the file to local storage temporarily to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.